Has the love of your life left you and you feel you can't take it anymore? Do you want him so badly that it hurts to breathe without him? If so, don't despair. There exists a practical solution that will make him come back to you so you can stay together again. Just give me 5 minutes of your time. I'll show you how you can finally get him back to you on his knees begging you for love again, 100% guaranteed. Look, don't think that because he left you it's the end, because you can still get him back into your life and enjoy magical romantic moments like before. You can bring the love of your life back again, make him so crazy in love with you again that he will never want to leave, ever. Yes, that's right. In just a few moments, I will show you how you can make this happen quickly and easily. But before getting into how you can get him back forever, I'd like to ask a few simple questions. Please answer them honestly, as this is really important. Are you still messaging him in hopes that he will magically feel attracted to you and get back to you? Are you trying too hard to see him again at his work, gym, or any other place you know he's always hanging around? Do you desperately try to feel better by affirming to yourself that you don't need him anymore, but deep inside yourself you know this is not true? Are you friends with the man who used to be something more? If you answer affirmatively to all or any of these questions, then you need to hear me. Look, this is very important if you want to get him back. Stop doing whatever you're doing, because chances are that you're pushing him even further away from you, and you don't want that to happen. You see, there are several typical mistakes that most desperate women like you commit when they try to capture their exes again. I promise you that when you finish watching this video, you will be able to reunite with the man of your life, regardless of how both of you split up. I know that perhaps you're feeling a bit skeptical and you're shaking your head in disbelief, but I can assure you that this is 100% real. You can still attract the love of your life again, make him crave for you, and most importantly, make him love you like never before. I understand that you might feel a bit skeptical as you think that getting your ex back is not that easy, but trust me, it is. This is what you're about to discover. A step-by-step approach that will allow you to get him back into your life without acting weird or needy. Why he decided to break up with you, and how you can truly fix this uncomfortable and painful situation. How you can make him understand the grave mistake he made leaving you, and why, though your situation seems hopeless, it's not the end. A proven way to overcome the negative emotions that are ruining your life and turn them into positive ones as you finally get your man back to you. And much, much more.